Hi, this is second part of finger practicing for beginners. In this practice, you start from 6th string. First finger goes on first fret, second finger goes on second fret, third finger goes on third fret, and fourth finger goes on fourth fret. And play. Then move to 5th string and play same practice. Then move to 4th and play same practice. Then 3rd, 2nd, 1st, like this one. Then start backwards. Start from 4th string, 4th finger, then 3rd finger, 2nd finger, and 1st finger. Move to 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string, 5th string, and 6th string. Then we moved in 5th fret and play same practice. Then we move to 9th fret and again play same practice.